Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these cool gadgets, hacks, and beautiful tools we've got in this video. Let's see what's in this apartment. Let's see what's in this fridge. We've got this organizer. She's gonna prepare something to eat. She's gonna make noodles. We've got this machine you can use for heating water. She's done. She's gonna wash dishes. She's trying to wake her father up. This is a small folding basket you can use for laundry. You've got this small folding washing machine. She's cleaning the toilet. This is an electric tool you can use for cleaning your bed. She's mopping the floor. This is another beautiful apartment. Somebody's coming to visit her. And she's trying to organize her apartment. This is a small washing machine you can use for laundry. This is another tool you can use for brushing off your pillows or blankets. This is an egg holder. These are other organizers you can use for your fridge. We've got this one you can use for masks or wipes. This is another small box you can use for small items. You can also use it as a mobile phone holder. We've got these plastic organizers you can use for small articles or accessories. This is another beautiful apartment. Let's see where this lady is going. This is her apartment. This is a small printer you can use at home. These are small plastic chairs. We've got these kitchen tools, they're really cool. We've got this one you can use for cleaning your stove. She's gonna mop the floor using this folding mop. It's really cool, it makes the task easier and fast. This is a cleaner you can use for the corners. We've got these small trash bins, and we've got this mobile chair you can use for doing the housework. This is another small folding washing machine. It's really convenient, you can use it anywhere at home. We've got this rack you can use for towels, and this one for your bathroom stuff. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.